Good morning, Jeffrey. I would like to start the video with few words about your presentations and about your dioramas. I just wanted to say that I'm really, really proud of you. I'm so proud of your research skills, thinking skills, your creativity. It was a real pleasure to have the opportunity to listen to your presentations and to see your dioramas. Great job, Jeffrey. Seriously. I'm really amazed by all the dioramas. So, as a class teacher, I'm super proud of you and your skills. So I'm happy that we had such a project to finish our unit. And as you already know, we are starting a new unit today. Okay, so I will start with the task uh, connected with our new unit of inquiry. So on Google Drive, you will find a set of pictures, and I would like you to have a look at them. Try to think if you can group them somehow, and if you can group them, please do that. And just let me know by writing your ideas in your unit of inquiry. How would you group them? And just let me know what's our next unit going to be about in your opinion. Okay, so just check the pictures and uh, and write down your opinions. That's it for unit of inquiry. Okay, if it's about English, I would like you to revise synonyms. So remember that synonyms are the words with similar meaning. So there is a worksheet to be completed. Okay, if you download the worksheet, you will find out that actually you can add that worksheet. So you've got the word bank, and I would like you to use the words from the box to um, which are the synonyms of the underlined words. Okay, so the athlete was exhausted. In other words, we can see that the athlete was beautiful, angry, tired, awesome, delicious. You choose one. So in that case, it will be tired after running. Yeah. You type in your answer, and when the worksheet is completed, you just save it as the document using, please name the document with your name and surname, please. Okay. And then you just upload the document, the completed document on your Google Drive. Okay. If you want to print it out, there is also an option to print it out, complete it, and then send me the photo. Okay. The other worksheet is about you checking your understanding about the synonyms and antonyms. Okay. So with the about the words with similar or totally opposite meaning. So it's also editable. So if you download the worksheet, and the first pair of the words is sit and stand, and I want you to write an S or an A next to the pair. So sit and stand, they don't have the similar meaning, so they are the antonyms. And you just write down A. And you complete all the pairs, yeah, all the examples, and then again save the document, use your name and surname, and upload it on your Google Drive, or simply or just print it out and take the photo of it. If you cannot print it out and you don't feel comfortable with downloading the document and uploading it again on Google Drive, remember that you can also use your English notebook. Then that's where you can write the answers as well. Okay, and then you send me the photo of the answers written in your English notebook. So, unit of inquiry done. English, done. So maths. On maths today, we are going to talk about finding the area of irregular shapes. So if you would like to, you may watch the video before our lesson, but don't worry if you don't do that. You may also watch the video after our lesson, so you will revise the stuff we talked about. So that's what I'm going to introduce to you, finding the area of irregular shapes. And after our online lesson, I would like you to do the homework. Okay, so that's the homework, to calculate the total area of these irregular shapes. 3 examples. You will know how to do that after our lesson, so don't worry. If you forget how to do that, I've already published a step-by-step instruction, okay, how to do that, how to calculate the area of the irregular shapes. So you may also use this step-by-step instruction after our lesson, just to revise the things we will talk about. Okay, so that's it. That's it. I would like to kindly ask you also to send me the photos of your completed homework and the task about synonyms and antonyms, okay? So only that task with distinguishing if the antonym or synonym is obligatory. Of course, you may send me all of the worksheets completed, okay? But those two are obligatory for everyone, okay? So see you at 10:30 during our math lesson. Don't forget your maths notebooks, please. See ya!